Here I have MOTOROLA Moto G24, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. Can't even unlock your device now. So firstly what you'll have to do is to turn your device off, but as you can see unfortunately it tells you like wrong PIN, can't turn off. So in this situation what we have to do is to hold down combination power key plus volume down at the same time like this in order to forcefully turn our device off, and after the screen goes off we let go of the keys and then hold them down once again and we appear in this kind of menu. Here in this menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option recovery mode. In recovery mode, in this screen before recovery mode, when you see this no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe data factory reset. And select factory data reset, and after you see the message data wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now, and device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.